What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Omar from RC Hobbies PR, and in today's video we're gonna be unboxing the AXIAL SCX10 base camp. If you watched my last video, I said that I have some plans with the LiPo battery that I have in my other car, and this was it. I ordered this AXIAL about a month ago, and also I bought the LiPo battery and it arrives before the car arrives. Now it's here, so let's see what we got inside. Well, this is not a big area for an unboxing, but it is what it is, right? Let's get started with this. So it comes in another box inside. It actually fits right perfect over there. Let's see, let me take this box out. So this is the box. It shows here the gray color, but I actually ordered the blue one. So let's see how it looks. This is my first SCX10. I have a few SCX24, and I really wanted to upper the game. There's many places for bigger RC crawlers in here, so I really wanted to try something like this. Let's see which one is the upper part. Oh, here it is. Let's see. Upside down. Oh my god, this is my first this is my first unboxing. I'm pretty confused with this card. I don't know where it opens or nothing, so let's see. Oh, I really like that color. So this is the way it comes. Very protected inside. Right here, you can see the controller. The controller is right here, so I'm gonna take it off with a knife. 1 second. So here's the controller. It is a Spectrum SCL-T3. It is the same that I use for my Typhoon, and I really like it. I really like the way it works. Let me put the controller here. See. Okay. So I will say there's more stuff inside here. Maybe not. Yep. Inside we have the batteries for the remote. Here, instruction manual, decals. See. And I think that's pretty much it. There's nothing more inside. Yep, that's all we got. Let me take it off here. So that's it pretty much inside. Let me take it out of this box. This vehicle looks awesome, for real. It's a lot bigger than I expected, actually. So look at this. This is the blue color. It comes in 3 different colors: green, gray, and blue. Here is the bottom part. I really like the diff covers in red color. Looks pretty awesome. It says Axial over there too. It comes with Wild Peak MT Falcon tires. That looks pretty good. They feel kind of sticky. Nice shocks inside. They look like aluminum. Let's open it. Let's see what we got inside. Spectrum speed controller, 35T dynamite brush motor. It looks awesome. Metal servo. So yeah, this is it. So guys, if you want to know something else from this SCX10, let me know in the comments down below so I can let you know. So guys, stay tuned so you can watch more videos about this vehicle. Also, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.